Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BMW ConnectedDrive remote climate for charging optimization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate BMW ConnectedDrive remote climate for charging optimization, begin by Next, locate the BMW Connected app on your smartphone. If you haven't done so, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and log in using your BMW ID. If you don't have a BMW ID, you will need to create one within the app. After logging in, make sure your vehicle is added to your account. You can add your vehicle by scanning the VIN or entering it manually. Once your vehicle is added, access the home screen of the app. Look for the Climate or Remote Climate section. Select this option to begin setting up your climate control. You'll see options for scheduling climate starting times. Choose or customize a time that aligns with your charging schedule. Next, ensure that your BMW is plugged in and charging. This allows the climate control features to optimize the battery while charging. Confirm your settings within the app to activate remote climate control. You may receive notifications about the status of your climate settings. Observe the dashboard of your car to ensure the remote climate function is successfully active. Finally, enjoy a comfortable cabin temperature upon entering your vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.